Hello everybody, Kris Gethin here, CEO of Kaged Muscle. Got some great news for you. Based on your feedback and your demand, we have reformulated PreKAGED, our #1 pre-workout, okay? So here I have the original PreKAGED. Here I have the newly formulated PreKAGED. This happens to be the stimulant-free. However, it is the same in the normal PreKAGED as well with the organic caffeine. What we have done, based on your feedback, is improved the mixability and the solubility of the product. And I think the flavor's pretty darn good as well. So what we did is removed the quercetin, but we increased the beta power from the 2 grams to the 2.5 grams, okay? So perfect for your pre-workouts, but don't just take my word for it. I'm gonna demonstrate it. So I'm going to put in a full scoop of the newly formulated PreKAGED in here, and you'll see how awesome the solubility is. Just with a couple of shakes, it is mixed like that, and with no foaming. So that was one of the complaints that people had. They didn't like the foaming effect. I never minded it, to be honest with you, but I do love the improved mixability here. So check this out. Just a couple of shakes, and there you go, baby. So as you can see, zero foaming. And I'm going to go and work out here now pretty soon. So that is your newly formulated PreKAGED. Wanted to let you guys know, because obviously as transparent as we are on the labels, I want to be as transparent with you, because we're all in this together and we want to provide the best pre-workout for you. Thank you very much, guys. I am Kris Gethin, CEO of Kaged Muscle, and I'm out.